Good morning. So, it is such a nice snowy day out. Like, it is the perfect type of snow that's super light and fluttery. That's the perfect kind of tone for what I want to do. So while I'm waiting for my water to boil, I wanted to give you a little update. Do you see my eyes today? They are symmetrical, but I will say that for probably the last week, they haven't been, not one day. So maybe it's just good luck that I'm like filming this and it just... Also, I had many complaints about drinking sounds in my last video, so I will cut them all out now, just for you guys. So I am just making a little breakfast. This is turkey bacon. I haven't made it in a while, so I don't quite remember. Medium to medium low. Do you know you can microwave these? I have done it in the past, not gonna lie. I feel like this is the time of year to spend time with family and get things kind of together. And that's my plan too. It's amazing to me how time has flown and it is now the end of the year. But honestly, I'm not mad about it. Like, it's been a good year. Also, in case you didn't know, I now have a tea addiction. What can I say?
Ooh, thanks, babe.
No problem.
What do you want to do today?
Clean. What do you want to do?
Clean, work on the website.
So we're working on a blog. When do we think it's going to be live?
Like a few blog posts will be live in a week.
It will be good just to have like all the projects in one place, I think.
And more detail for all of them.
So I really want to like get the place cleaned up and feel like truly clean. I cannot be the only one who does not love doing the duvet cover. What a task. But you know the best feeling when you like get in bed and it's like, oh, your sheets are perfectly clean. So I use a special type of laundry detergent that's for killing dust mites, but you gotta like wait for the water to fill up halfway, then add the stuff in. But then the other thing I have are my silk pillowcases, and those need to be hand washed. So I literally use like a stainless steel bowl. So I just leave that to sit for a couple minutes and then I wring it out and just hang it to dry. Works like a charm. I'll also do my bras like that. It's great. It's a great hack.
Saw you down the motorway. There was something about you that day. I can still hear the shimmering sound. The hill is near, let's get right up. Walk up to the very top. We couldn't.
So remember how I sanded this down and re-varnished it? This is the first time I can drag a cloth along this without it getting kind of stuck to the rough bits. Growing up in my house, my parents made sure that everything was always very, very clean. We would wipe down like every surface after every dinner. And sometimes I feel bad because I don't naturally keep things as tidy as that. But the best feeling is when you've just done like the deep clean of your home and then it's like, oh, there's no dust, there's no dirt, there's nothing, it's perfect. I can finally take a little break here. I actually have dinner at my mom's in 15 minutes. She called me up this morning and she was like, do you want lobster? And I was like, okay, yeah, because I've been saying to her, like, we used to do lobster every year, at least once a year when everyone was together. I'm really excited because I haven't had it in probably since we sold our family house. Officially late. Have to skedaddle. It's snowy. Oh, hello. Nice mug.
Don't hold back on me.
Which one's your favorite? Coconut. I never eat those.
Only better.
Tis a winter wonderland.
If you said it.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
It's so
It's nice and snowy.
pretty.
It really is.
Now's my time to shine. You're holding stuff you can't even reach out. I hit your head, now my hands are icicle. This is my one time I could shine. I made it up for first year now. Perth, hard at work editing right now.
How did you film an hour and 20 minutes worth today?
It is what it is. It is what it is.
It takes so long.
Now it's time to make the bed so we can sit in bed. Nobody likes making a duvet, but I will say I have a method to it, and it's been working well for like 10 years. Good night.
You mean this and that?
Yeah, or this one. So cute. Yeah, we'll come back. What is it?
It's an Oreo on the bottom, cheesecake on the top.
You're in my video.
I know. I made 200 nightlights this week.
So I got 4 of those mini desserts for Perth and I to share.
Dessert?
I almost said what exactly it
What
was,
is it?
but I didn't want to ruin it. Otherwise I would have. Okay, ready? You want to open?
Is it a one thing or like a sharing thing?
Yes, we should.
Holy, these are really cute.
Look at them, they look so good. This is lemon caramel score cookies and cream.
That is so good.
You want me to wait while you're gone? You want me to wait for you to come back for me to watch Love is Blind?
Yeah, please.
You like it, don't you?
I can barely see.
Really? We were young. Cinnamon raisin toast with butter, that's where it's at.
I was small by
When I take from you, that's the size I take.
No. No.
So today we were supposed to have like our big family dinner at my mom's, but my one sister, her 2 kids are not feeling well. So we're gonna postpone that dinner. That means that instead of cooking and stuff, I can instead just like hang out and play games. So we are going to, I think, play like Crazy Eights, because that's a good one from childhood, isn't it?
I can't find the cards.
No.
I checked the side table, they weren't there.
The backpack?
Yeah, maybe the backpack.
Parth continues to search for the cards. Do you think there's such a thing as an electric shuffler?
Yeah, we
Where
had
you
one.
What?
I had one when I was young.
Really?
Marathon?
Yeah. I'm gonna win.
Here comes the win. Here comes the win.
Go ahead. It's the most wonderful time.
Hello. Time to wake up.
I look out the window, it's so nice out.
Pretty bright, isn't it?
Hello. So, I just woke up and I realized that yesterday night I fell asleep without my biplane, which is very bad for my jaw. I didn't wash my face. Love when that happens. Great feeling to wake up to. And also then I looked to the side and I realized that I had a full cup of tea that I didn't drink. Parth warmed up that cup of tea 3 times for me last night because I wanted to drink it. Completely forgot and then fell asleep. Good times. I'm now up and ready to go, and I actually have a big family dinner today at my mom's. I volunteered to cook some stuff, but first I am going to cut Parth's hair. This is the before shot of the hair.
Complete transformation.
Yes. Welcome to my salon.
I don't know if you've been.
Have I ever given you a bad haircut?
No, not even your first time.
Did you have all the confidence in me the first time?
I have to say no. Like a lot of things. And then you always prove me wrong.
You have to see something really specific about Parth. Do you see his eyelashes? They are so flippin' long. If only I had them. Featuring a new Parth. Exhibit A, the after of the haircut. This is course number 1 of our lunch, mushroom soup once again. And course number 2 is chicken nuggets. Yay! So I am officially going to be making some of the items for tonight's family dinner. A lot of you actually commented that you didn't know that I had a sister. Please, I have 3 sisters. I come from a big family. So I have been tasked with 2 jobs. I'm going to be making the macaroni salad, so good. And then I've also been tasked with making a vegetable chip dip. I've made it before, so good as well. And these are things that we've been having literally my entire life, so I should be a pro at making it, but I'm not because I've only started actually making this stuff in the last few years. Otherwise it would be like my mom or my older sisters making it. For the pasta salad, I am gonna be putting an egg in it because that's the way that we always have had it. And like, maybe you can make pasta salad from scratch, but I'm telling you, this stuff is so good. It might as well be an ad. Shout out to Kraft. If you would like to sponsor me for mac and cheese or your pasta salad, I'd be there for it. So it is essentially the holiday time and I want to know what you guys have been up to, because with my family, we don't actually celebrate the holidays per se, but we still get together and have a lot of family time, family dinners, family game nights, stuff like that. And it's been like that since I was a kid, because during the holiday period and the winter break where everyone's off from school and work and stuff like that, it was one of the only times when I was a kid that my whole family would actually be able to be together, including my siblings, because my older brother went away to university when I was like 3 or 4. And so that holiday break was like the one time he would come back. And then a couple years later, my older sister went away, and again, they would both come back. And then my next sister went away, and then they would all come back. And so it's really just been this time where like everyone reunites and is home and is off and is like together. And so I've always loved the time of year just because like everyone is still together. So I've got the pasta boiling, I've got the egg boiling, I'm prepping this stuff for the dip. And even look what a nice snowy day it is outside. Like it has been nice every single day with nice fluttery snow. So lucky. This is 1 whole cup of mayonnaise, but it's worth it. So while I'm cooking this, Parth is actually at the grocery store because outside of this, we actually have practically run out. So God bless. Time for the dip. I have 40 more minutes. This dip is a dip that was my mom's colleague's recipe circa, I swear, 30 years ago. It's been there my whole life and it's the best. I haven't met a single person who's tried it who hasn't liked it. Kids, adults, everyone. We've got this. I don't usually get Great Value cheese because I find that the taste isn't as good, but this is cream cheese, not the block cheese, so hopefully it's gonna be fine. I was actually thinking maybe in my blog, whenever I do a recipe, I'll add the recipe to my blog and that way you guys can have the recipe. Thought maybe that would be a good idea. Let me know if you agree. Does it taste exactly like Philadelphia cream cheese? No, but pretty good stuff. Moment of truth. So good. I don't know what else to say. The favorites that we've had are just like so good.
It may not look like much,
but honestly, it's amazing. I promise you. I'm gonna have this with some chips. So good. Is it kind of gross that I'm eating the dip by itself? Maybe. I don't care. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hello, cherry.
Cocoa. I have finished the dip and the macaroni salad.
Wow!
Right?
Good job, good job.
Big mess, big mess. I'm just gonna grab the pasta salad, dip, and we're on our way. Got our stuff.
Things don't need to be lavish or perfectly put together. For me, the most special things are usually the simplest things.
oh no, my sock. Oh no, my sock.
If you enjoyed this video, it will mean so much to me if you leave me a comment down below, hit the like button, and make sure that you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next one.